When considering changing your roof tiles, there are several different materials to consider, each providing a range of profiles as well as a great choice of colors and finishes. Whether it's a textured metal sheet that gives an effect of tiles, or if you prefer a traditional Welsh slate roof design, each type of roof material has a different personality, benefits and will appeal to different people. For example, slate roofs require more maintenance over clay roofs due to the growth of moss on slate roofs. However, slate roofs have a more aesthetic look over clay roofs and are generally more expensive. In this video, we will discuss the different types of roof tiles you can choose from, how much you can expect to pay and general information about each type. Firstly, you can get natural slate tiles. These tiles are mined from slate quarries all over the world, from countries like Spain, Argentina, Canada and Brazil. Some quarries produce tiles with a grayish, darker tone, while others produce slate with a lighter bluish tone. These tiles are very aesthetically pleasing and look great on all homes. Due to their nice design and adaptability to each building, they can often be very costly. The cheapest, being Spanish slate costing 91 pence per tile to more expensive Welsh slate costing over £2 per tile. Secondly, you can choose to get more traditional style, concrete tiles. These come in a range of styles and profiles, which could cause you problems when you are choosing the type for your roof. These tiles have a long lifespan of over 50 years, meaning you only need to change your roof tiles once to concrete and never again. These tiles aren't as aesthetic as natural slate tiles, therefore, they are far cheaper. Expected prices can range from 33 pence per tile on the low end for concrete plain tiles to 95 pence for concrete slate effect tiles. Thirdly, we have clay tiles. These tiles are the most popular pick for many roofs all over the UK, as they are a reliable, traditional and low-maintenance choice over other types of tiles. They have a good lifespan and are less susceptible to breakages during installation compared to their concrete and natural slate counterparts. Unfortunately, clay tiles have less flexibility when it comes to color and profile over other types of tiles. However, for many people, this isn't a problem as clay looks great on many homes. The price of these tiles can range from 43 pence for plain clay tiles to over £1 for interlocking clay tiles. Fourthly, we have man-made slate tiles. These are usually made from fiber cement or recycled plastic and are chosen over natural slate as they're cheaper, easier to install and harder to break. They are also lighter as well and flexible, with installation times taking half the time compared to natural slate roofs. Furthermore, no maintenance is needed for roofs made of these materials, as no moss will grow on fake slate. Fortunately, as this material mimics the look of slate, your roof will have that aesthetic, premium look without the expense. Recycled plastic slate tiles are bought in packs of 25, which can cost £40. This works out to £1, 60 pence per tile. Finally, you can get metal roof tiles. These come more as metal strips rather than rectangular roof tiles. They can give an illusion of individual tiles when they are actually long strips of metal. These roof tiles give the effect of a textured tiled roof for a fraction of the cost. Advantages of these tiles are that they boast a long lifespan, are lighter than other types of tiles. Unfortunately, however, building regulations may be in place where the tiles cannot be used on certain domestic properties, which you should check before placing your order. The price of these strips is around £7 a strip, where each strip is 1 meter in length and 40 centimeters in width. To conclude, there are 5 main types of roofing you can choose to have on your house, each with their advantages and disadvantages. In the end, it's up to you which types of tiles you choose for your roof. If you would like to find out more about the different types of roofing tiles you can buy, or if you are looking to get a great deal, please click the link below. Thanks for watching.